Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss that how can you solve the issue that you are getting an error that your PC is running low on memory. So for this issue, the first thing that comes to mind is that your PC might be infected with viruses. So we can just perform a quick virus scan in this case. So if you have an antivirus software, you can use that. If not, you can use Windows Defender. So to use Windows Defender, go to the search bar and type in settings to bring up the settings app. Go to update and security. Go to Windows Security and make sure to click on this button that says Open Windows Security. Once you are in Open Windows Security, make sure all of these checks are green, as in my case. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection and go for a quick scan. It would take about 3 to 4 minutes, and then if there are any threats, you would get to know those threats. You can solve those threats, and your issue of memory usage, your low memory usage would have been solved. In case it is not solved, then right click on the taskbar and go to the task manager. In the processes itself, see that what is the percentage of the memory that is currently active. In my case, it is 35%, but in your case, for that warning to appear, for that error to appear, it should be close to 90 to 100%. So in this case, you need to just go through all the apps that are running on your PC and identify any of the apps that you have not started that may be malicious. So you can simply just go to the control panel and uninstall those apps, or there might be some apps that automatically start in the background, like this MongoDB database server. So I'm just going to right click here and click on end task. So I'm just going to close those apps. So similarly, you can close those apps, and then once you're done with this, your low memory usage issue should have been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.